welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper tweezer. So this is a very easy way of making a paper tweezer and it is useful too. So I think many of you will eat noodles and other things and you can use this for that. So if you don't have anything, you can even use this and make this in an easy paper way. So you can even use it to grab material. So for example, take like this top part of this glue, you can just even take this tweezers and you can just like grab this like this, and you can use this for making many materials and for making many crafts. So now without any further delay, let's get started. We'll be seeing how to make this really cute tweezers. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Please subscribe to my channel so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So to get started, I'm just going to be taking two color pieces of paper. So one is pink and the other one is yellow. So first we're just going to be taking pink for doing this craft. So if you guys want any other colors, you guys can take. So I like these two sets, so I'm taking this. You guys can take any color you like. The first step is that I'm just going to be cutting this paper at the edges so that we'll have like a paper like this. So this one I'm just going to be making it like in a kind of smaller size so that it will be kind of perfect. So you guys can make it in a bigger size if you like, because I'm just going to be using it for grabbing materials or like that. So you guys can make it in your correct size based on the purpose you're making it. If you want, you can make it in a medium size. So I'm just taking like half of a color paper. So if you want like if you take like one full color paper, it will also be good enough, but it will be like real tweezers. I'm just going to be making like fake ones just for playing. So you just have to roll it, then you have to unfold the rolls, then you have to fold it again so that it will be perfect. So I'm just going to be rolling it over here. So please wait a second till I complete this. So now I've completed in this part and I'm just going to be pushing it like this. Now I'm just going to take a glue bottle and I'm going to be applying some glue over here and I'm rolling it. So now we'll have like a Krishna flute like this. So if you guys haven't watched my video of making a paper Krishna flute, you guys can visit that. So next step is that I'm just going to be kind of like pushing it in one direction like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be folding this in half. So you just have to like push it in the middle and you have to fold it in half so that we'll get a structure like this. So we just have to be like foldy like this. So now I'm just going to be sticking it, making it nice and flat over here. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be cutting the piece of paper at the bottom on this side as well as on this side to make it nice and equal. So if you guys want to cut it kind of more, so for example, you can cut it like this. So the next step is that I'm just going to be opening this part slowly like this. So please keep this fold correctly or it won't look well. The next step is that I'm just going to be cutting out, like taking this yellow paper that we had, and I'm going to be cutting out like a yellow strip of paper from this. So meanwhile, I cut, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now I took this piece of paper and I'm just going to be applying some glue all around this paper. So you just have to pull it in one direction and just apply the glue. So now I'm just going to be taking this piece of paper and I'm going to be taking the strip we made and I'm sticking it onto the top part of the paper. So now I'm just going to be gently rolling this part slowly like this. So sometimes the glue might come out, so you just have to make it nice and really strong like this. So please do this really slowly. So if you guys want, if it does not fit properly, you guys can even take like another piece of paper strip like this and you can glue it together so that it comes out properly. So if you don't have any extra paper, you can just cut it at the edges so that it turns out well. So now I'm just going to be trimming it off at the edges on the side, and we have to, if you trim it on one side, you have to trim it on the other side as well, since our fold is in the middle. So now I'm just going to be folding it. As you guys see, it's nice and cute. So now it's working, but if you guys see this one, we need like a thing for grabbing it. So as you see, this one like kind of stronger than this one. So the step you have to do is I press on it really well and keep it like for about like half an hour so that it gets nice and tightened, but keep like a book over it or something so that the tightening will be more. So next step is that I'm just going to be taking two toothpicks like this. So if you don't have toothpicks, you guys can take like an ice cream stick as well, and you can cut it in two and you can stick the corners over here. That will also be good. Or you can even take like a big stick like this and you can like cut it into two small pieces and you can take the remaining parts out. So for sticking, this is a really important part. So the sticking has to be really good and careful. So I'm just going to applying like plenty of glue inside this part. So please do not apply less glue and think that it will work, because as you guys see, I've tried this many times in this one and it didn't stick at all. I tried like for 2 days and it still didn't get stronger. So then I thought of sticking glue inside this and did it. So please do not apply tape as well. Tape does not even work on this one. So next I'm just going to taking this piece of strip and I'm going to be squeezing it inside and I'm going to be folding it gently like this. So next step is that I'm going to be taking the remaining toothpick we have and I'm going to be inserting it slowly over here. So please make sure that both sides of the toothpick are equally inserted on both the sides, because this is a really important step. So I'm just going to be sticking on it nice and well and I'm going to be folding it in half like this. So now I'm just going to be keeping it over here and I'm going to be taking my hand and I'm going to be pressing it on top of this. So you have to give it some time to dry. So after it's completely dry, we'll have like a structure like this. So it's be better if you keep it like for about 1 or 2 days and let it dry completely, then you can use it, or this part will come out. So if you guys feel like this part is coming out, you could just apply some glue here and you could stick this over here. So you guys can do this step on both the sides. You can even stick gems and do many decorations, but I prefer you guys not have to stick gems, because if you do that, if you're going to be using it for food materials, then the gems might accidentally fall to the food. So after we complete this, our paper tweezers are ready. So it's just a simple model of making the tweezers, and I'll show you guys how to use it in this one as well. So you just have to hold this part and take it. So if you guys want, you can even like put a handle over here. So first, as you guys see, the grip is not like too much. So after it dries completely, it will be more gripped over here. So if you guys want to hang it anywhere, you guys can just take like this red piece of paper or any remaining paper, and you can just like cut it at the corner part. So after you do this, you can just like keep like the small part over here like a ring. You just have to enclose it like a ring. So I'm not doing it right now, I'll just show you guys. You guys can try this. And you can stick it on this top part over here. So if you're going to be hanging it in the kitchen or anything, you can hang it. Or if you like do this, you can just even put it like a ring. So if you put it, you can just like squeeze your fingers inside this ring, then you can use it. So please make sure that this part, I've told you, this part will keep on coming out. So this is the main part to make the stick inside. So one more thing is that you can even put more decoration. So one idea is that since we put gems, it might fall down. You can just take like this yellow piece of paper and fold it like about 5 to 6 times. Then you can cut small circles over here. Then you'll get like about 12 to 15 circles. Then you can stick each circle on one of these paper parts over here. You can even do more decorations, but please do not stick gems, because if you're going to be using it for food items, the gems might fall inside. So after we complete this, our paper tweezers are ready. So these tweezers can be used for craft. You can use it for playing, you can use it for grabbing things, and you can even use it for cooking. But one more idea is that if you're going to be making it like really strong, you can even use cardboard for this. And to make it more stronger, you could just like stick 2 more pieces of paper on the top, and you can add decoration pieces or anything. So if you wanted to make it like more stronger, you can like stick tape over here as I did, which will kind of help. But first stick glue, then you can give like a round of tape like this. So after we complete this, our paper tweezers are ready. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So if you guys have any ideas about what I should post in my channel, you can if you have any ideas about what I should post in my channel, you can definitely comment in the comment box below, and I'll see the comments as soon as possible and respond to them. So one more thing is that if you guys have seen in my flute video, I just rolled it and I just stuck designs over here. If you guys have that flute with you, you can even like take that flute, then you can fold that flute in half, and you can just like stick these toothpicks inside. But if you use gems, it's not usable. But if you did not use gems, you guys can try that out. You can even try more crafts from my channel. I post videos regularly, and you can see different types of crafts on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching, and keep continuing to watch my channel. Bye.